is made up by the rainbow? I just know it because there's like a bag of money down in the rainbow. Okay, ready? Stars of the rainbow. The rainbow's down under the sky. If it rains and shine tonight, you will see the rainbow tonight. It shines brighter than ever. All the colors that you like. The rainbow's always cool. If you just see the rainbow true. If you wanna see it, you gotta make your rain shine light. If you do the same way, you'll see the rainbow. If you go on the right hill and you look around, you see the rainbow has mixed up different kind of hills. When you get in the rainbows, you find a gold. From leprechauns, we take the gold. If you see one, catch it with your hand. They want their love and freedom. If you see them, capture in the hand, then you'll get the gold. And finally, if you get 4 leaves on a petal, you'll get really lucky. I just want to know that is the real truth.